Welcome to Casablanca Golf Course in Mesquite, Nevada. Today I'm going to share with you the steps we are taking to replace our 27-year-old Osmac satellite boxes with the new Lynx satellite boxes. First thing we did was go to the pump house and turn off the power to all our satellites. I also wanted to check with the voltmeter, make sure I do not have any power coming into these boxes, just as a precaution. We unscrewed the power, these 3 lines here. Then we turn around to the front, and it has a common wire, which is the white wire. Right here is the common wire. And then all these red wires are for sprinklers. So this box is full. It has 48 stations in it. And we'll just take them out one by one and label them with masking tape and make sure there's a number on them. Take our time and do this correctly. As you can see, I have all the wires disconnected from the old satellite box, and the box has been removed from the concrete slab. I have the 3 power wires. I have 2 white wires, which are the common wires. I have a spare red wire, and then the 48 station wires, and they're labeled 1 through 48. I also have a copper ground to the box. So the next step is to put the new satellite box on top of the 4 bolts. They'll line up perfectly, and fasten it down to the concrete slab. And we'll start installing all these wires back in the new box. We have the new satellite box on and fastened down to the concrete slab. We hooked up the power wires, black, green, and white. We hooked up the ground, the copper ground, to the box. And over on this side we have the common wires are wired in already. So the only thing left to do is to put all these wires and hook them up to the correct numbers. Now that all the wiring is completed, ran to the pump house and turned the power back on to all my satellites. So now we want to turn the power on. And we need to set the satellite. And to set the satellite, go down to settings. And then you just follow the screen, what you need to do. We need to set the time. Need to set the date. Need to set the address for the satellite, which this one is 151. The maximum number of sprinklers you can run. And then the radio setting. You just click on radio frequencies and put in your frequency for your radio. Then you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. Only 42 more to go.